stick with me for the next 5 to 7 minutes. I'm going to show you how we're able to get some of those results for digital marketing agency owner like yourself all across the world. And we're going to show you exactly how what we do to actually help them get the result, and how you can actually replicate and using our framework exactly for your agency, regardless of your experience or your background. Okay, so Zach here from Nurture King able to hire his first rockstar VA within the first 12 hours of actually using our program, using our snapshot. Jennifer here actually to able to book 4 additional appointments daily on her calendar. Henry here from client acquisition.io actually gained extra 5-6 appointments a day from his organic outbound. Sam here is our coaching student, is actually able to actually collect 10K up front during the first month of launching his agency, right? Kip here from Kick Up Digital, able to actually go from 0 to a whole month book on his calendar with qualified appointment, right? Eric here from Solar King, able to master and automate his onboarding portal with hundreds of clients from the solar industry, right? So who am I? My name is Vico Khang from Go HighLevel Pro. You probably can see this. We're actually a marketing agency owner just like yourself, serving real estate agent all across Australia and New Zealand. But on the other side of our business is that we have been working with 100 plus of agency owner by this time. So whether to actually help them kick off their agency from 0 to 10K, or actually help optimize their existing establishing agency by using Go HighLevel as a platform or the software itself. Okay, so we're going to show you what's actually inside the Agency Accelerator blueprint, the AAB. Okay, so we actually a big believer when it comes to mindset. So the first thing that you do that when joining our program, you're going to set your mindset straight. What's it take to be a 7-figure entrepreneur, right? So the mindset and the vision and the roadmap and the tracking going to be there. The first part is we're going to be not teaching you, but the VA that you have on how to do prospecting for your agency, right? So this video can be transferable to your VA. I'm going to show you exactly how our VA actually implement our framework and get 5-6 appointments for our agency. And we're going to do a live training on how to do that. We're going to see the whole thing set up step by step, okay? The second part is the art of influence. I'm going to show you the psychology, the framework, the belief, the conviction. It's more than just a script. It's not like he say this, you say this. It's the belief, the context, and the conviction you have for your product and for your agency. And it's also an influence, like it's also a skill of questioning on how you actually persuade and influence people, okay? The third part is the onboarding and fulfillment. Once you actually close the client or onboard a client, what do you need to do, right? Sending out contract, sending out proposal, hiring a contractor to actually fulfill that promise, and actually remove yourself so you can focus more on prospecting and sell, right? And we're gonna have call recording and after call recording, training after training, where you can pass on to your virtual assistant to make sure that what we do here is actually not theory, but theory that's been put into practice and have been validated and proven already. Okay, so that is what's actually inside our AAB, Agency Accelerator blueprint. So who is this actually for, right? So this is for someone, if you are a marketing agency who actually just starting out, want to kick off and launch your digital marketing agency with a bit of guidance and help, this is exactly for you. If you actually have established agency but willing to wanting to optimize that, optimize your prospecting or yourself, using HighLevel automation or HighLevel platform, this is actually for you as well. Whether you use HighLevel or not, the skill and the fundamental when it comes to prospecting and sales here still going to be relevant for you. And so the next question I have, you probably have, is like, what's the catch for this? How much is it going to cost? It one of those, $1,000 course from a guru on the internet again? No, this is going to be free. It's going to be free to our affiliate. Our goal is to grow our affiliate network. If you already an affiliate, make sure that you reach out. Just send us a screenshot or something of the email you signed up with. If you haven't got HighLevel, click on the link and sign up for the free trial. and actually the course will be sent to you via email. Okay. If you already have an account and there's nothing else you can do, you can just purchase it down below. I'll make sure that I drop the price and keep the price very relatively quite low for the barrier of entry. Just make sure that everyone can get access to it. If you're in a position where you can't afford to actually pay that one-off investment for your agency, then it's probably not for you. Okay, so this is Vico. I hope to see you on the inside.